Namaste, I am JVN Anushka Tyagi. My subject name is Indian Philosophy, Fundamentals of Yoga, Discipline Yoga and Naturopathy, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science. Introduction. Philosophy, from the Greek word philosophia, literally love of wisdom, is the study of general and fundamental problems concerning matters such as existence, knowledge, values, reason, mind and language. The term was probably coined by Pythagoras. Classification of Indian philosophy. Indians distinguish two classes of Indian philosophies, Astic and Nastic. The Astic system respect the Vedas to some degree. They are Sankhya, Yoga, Vedanta, Mimamsa, Nyaya and Vaisheshik. The Nastic system reject Vedic thoughts. There are the six darshanas. These are the Astic darshan. Number 1 Nyaya philosophy, number 2 Vaisheshik philosophy, number 3 Sankhya philosophy, 4 is Yoga philosophy, 5 is Mimamsa philosophy and 6 is Vedanta philosophy. Nastic darshan. These are the three: Buddhism, Jainism and Charvak. The orthodox schools. Many Hindus intellectual tradition were classified during the medieval period of Brahmanic Sanskrit scholarship into a standard list of six orthodox. It means Astic school, yani darshanas, the six philosophies, all of which expect the testimony of the Vedas. Sankhya, the relationship school with dualism and atheistic themes. Yoga, a school similar to Sankhya but accept personally defined theistic themes. Nyaya, the realism school emphasizing analytic and logic. Vaisheshik, the naturalism school with atomistic themes and related to the Nyaya school. Purva Mimamsa or simply Mimamsa, the ritualism school with Vedic exists and philology emphasis and Vedanta, also called as Uttara Mimamsa. The Upanishadic tradition with many sub-schools ranging from dualism to non-dualism. Heterodox. Buddhist philosophy. The Buddhist philosophy is based on the teaching of the Buddha. Buddhist philosophy is a system of thought which started with the teaching of Siddhartha Gautama the Buddha or awakened one. Buddhism is founded on element of the Sraman movement which flowed in the first half of the first millennium BCE, but its foundation contained novel ideas not found or accepted by other Sramana movements. Buddhism and Hinduism mutually influenced each other and shared many concepts, states Paul Williams. However, it is now difficult to identify and describe these influences. Buddhism rejected the Vedic concept of Brahman, ultimate reality, and Atma, it means soul and self, at the foundation of Hindu philosophies. Number 2, Jain philosophy. Jain philosophy is the oldest Indian philosophy that separates body from the soul. Completely Jainism was reviewed and re-established after Mahavir, the last and the 24th Tirthankar, synthesized and revived the philosophies and promulgation of the ancient Shramantic tradition laid down by the first Jain Tirthankar Rishabhnath millions of years ago. According to Dundas, outside of the Jain tradition, historians dates the Mahavir as about contemporaneous with the Buddha in the 5th century BC, and accordingly the historical Parshvanath based on the 250 years gap is placed in 8th or 7th century BC. Number 3 is Charvak philosophy. Charvak or Lokayat was a philosophy of skepticism and materialism founded in the Mayuran period. They were extremely critical of other schools of philosophy of the time. Charvak deemed Vedas to be tainted by the three faults of untruth, self-contradiction and tautology. Likewise, they faulted Buddhists and Jains, mocking the concept of liberation, reincarnation and accumulation of merit or demerit through karma. They believed that the viewpoint of relinquishing pleasure to avoid pain was the reasoning of fools. Thank you. Namaste.